Creative Fabrica is offering up a completely free desktop app for Mac and Windows. And I'm going to put a link to this in the video description below. This is just a free app. I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to use this, including how to download and install it. I want to point out this is different than Creative Fabrica's website that has the Creative Fabrica Studio and Studio Designer inside of it. This is a standalone program that I'm going to be downloading onto my computer. Okay, so let's get started here. What I'm going to do is download for Windows right here. It's about 120 megabytes. You can see here it says no credit card, no subscription, runs on your device. So I'm going to click right here. Okay, and we can see here the file name is Studio Setup and it's an exe file, and I'll save it now to my hard drive. And we can see here it's completed. So now I'm going to open up my file. All right, here's the file, and this is in Windows Explorer. So I'm going to click on it to open it. And there's the Studio Setup now starting. It's a little wizard. This is pretty normal if you're installing any device on your computer. Okay, now you're going to get this window that pops up and it says Studio AI. This is not the internet. This is an actual program. So you can see here I've got my account, I've got my Windows, I've got a help option. So this is like an actual program that's running. So I'm going to log in here to this program right here. And I can log in with my Zen Water Cooler email address. Okay, so I'm logged into my Zen Water Cooler account here. My Zen Water Cooler account is actually my free account. So I don't have the all access subscription. So I've just signed up using an email. It's completely free. And here we can see we've got a bunch of different things that we can do in here. Now I have 5,000 coins sitting here, which admittedly is not very much. Anything you want to do that's really substantive is going to be more than 5,000 coins. So I'm just going to cover the free options in this video. So here at the left-hand side, we can see there's free models. There's an image upscaler, a background remover, a free image generator, and a text-to-speech option. So let's go into the image upscaler first. It's pretty easy to use. Here is the area to add your file. So I'm going to add a rinky-dink little tiny file and see if we can get it upscaled. Now, in order to use this AI upscaler, you need to download the model first. So it's like a add-on inside of the Studio program. So it's right here down below. It's the local model, runs on your device. The download size is 31 megabytes. It's completely free. So you're going to install the upscaling model once to upscale the images locally. So I'm going to click this download model right here. Confirm model download. I'll say yes. And we can see now it's downloading. It was pretty quick. It took about 10 seconds to download. And now I'm going to click this add file button right here. Okay, and here's my tiny cat that I'm going to upload. This is a PNG file that's 800 pixels by 800 pixels, so it's not very large. I'm going to click open, and we can see now it's starting to upscale my 800 pixel by 800 pixel image. Okay, the upscaling is done. It took 1 minute and 7 seconds, which is a little on the long side, but I guess if it's a free program, I can't really complain too much. And now I'll click the download button right here. Now, the name of the file is automatically changed to upscaled, and there's a little reference number, and I'll click the save button. Okay, and we can see here my original image is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. My new image, the upscaled image, is 3200 by 3200. The upscaled image is quite a bit bigger. Not bad for a free upscaler. All right, the next thing we're going to check out here is under free models. It's the background remover. So I'm going to go to free models on the left-hand side, and we're going to click on background remover right here. It's very similar to what we just went through. There's a little local model that runs on your device down below. So we're going to click right here, download model. Confirm model download, yes. And we can see it's downloading here. It'll just take a minute or two to get into your computer. Okay, I'm going to use this photo here. It's got some background, it's got some hair, it's got a little piece here. I want to see how well the background remover works. So I'm going to click free download. This is off of pexels.com. Okay, and inside of Studio now I'm going to click on this add file right here. And here's my picture of my model, and I'll click it and I'll click open. And let's see how long it takes to remove the background. We can see the clock is ticking. All right, and the image has been generated. It took 31 seconds, and I'm going to click the download button right here. Okay, and I'm going to save the file. It's a PNG file. I'll click the save button. Okay, we can see the difference here just in the thumbnail. I'm going to open up the original image. There's my original image with the background, and we can see now the background has been removed. It did a really good job. Got under the arm. It got rid of all the background and still left the hair looking pretty good here. This is a really nice looking background removal tool. And again, not bad considering it's a free tool. The third tool that's really interesting in the free models is the free image generator. So let's click on that. I've gone into the left-hand side, free models, and I'm going to go to the free image generator here. And because this is free, there's no credits, there's no uploads, and it outputs 512 by 512 pixel images. Now, if you want to upscale it, remember, you've got a free upscaler here as well. All right, I've added my model here, and this is what it'll look like when you're all done. It says ready to generate locally. And then I've typed up here in the top in my prompt window, vintage cartoon illustration of a cat wearing a top hat and a monocle. And here you can see I'll click the generate button. There's no credits needed. It says free. I'm just going to click generate, and let's see what pops up. This took over 5 minutes to generate one image. Now, if you use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, it's not going to take anywhere near that long. And we'll notice it's got a top hat, but no monocle. So this is not a perfect drawing by any stretch. So it's always going to be hit and miss with AI tools. So I'm not going to sit here and run this 14 times and only show you the good result. I'm going to show you the reality of it. And sometimes it doesn't always work out, but that's okay. He's still a good looking cat. You could always build a monocle and stick them in there if you're using Photoshop or something. But if you're looking for a free alternative for generating images, this could be good. I do want to point out I did not have a style selected. You can click Browse Styles, and then you can install any of these other styles. Again, this will take up space on your computer, so you'll want to be looking at how much space you have on your hard drive, but there's lots and lots of different styles. And these are like filters or presets. So when you create an image, it will have a different feel to that image, even with the exact same prompt. It's not perfect, but hey, can't argue with free. There's one more free model that we'll take a look at, and it's text to speech. So over on the left, I've clicked free models, and then text to speech right here. And like all of this, when you first start, you'll want to download the model right here. Confirm the model download, yes. Okay, and once you've got the model installed, it'll look just like this. And now you can put some text into your prompt up at the top. Here's my text, and then you can simply click generate speech right here. And you see it running with the little wheel here turning over in the bottom right. Okay, that generated the text to speak very quickly. It was only 14 seconds. And then here you can download right here, and I'll click that download button. And we can see that it's actually a WAV audio file. That's the file type, and I'll click save.
Hello, my name is Zen Watercooler. This is actually an artificial voice. It was created by the free Creative Fabrica tool.
So right now, the only speech is a woman's voice, but who knows, that could change over time here as Studio AI develops this AI technology. But hey, for a free, unlimited free studio that generates in 14 seconds, it's pretty good overall. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Studio AI, completely free. Now, there are premium things here that do cost money. You can earn coins, you can go pro. But in this video, we just covered the free models, or over on the top left, and you've got 4 great tools that if you have the room on your computer and you don't mind waiting a little bit of time for things to generate, this can be a great free tool. Here's another video where you can have some fun using free stuff.